Hello! This tutorial notates your first melody using the MsLily Add-In for Word. We will type pitches, rests, and a final double bar line. We'll insert and replace images in a document, learn how to read error messages, and introduce LilyPond to commands. Here we go! When you open Word, you can see the MsLily panel on the right. Basically, we just type our music in pitch letters, but here are some guidelines on using LilyPond syntax. MsLily uses the LilyPond language. It's painless and fast to type. Pitches are lowercase a to G, rests use R. When you mess up, which you will, LilyPond will send an error message. For now, expect the words unrecognized string. The line after that, LilyPond will point out the word or letters it didn't recognize. Expect it's just a typo. Let's check out what all this looks like. I'm going to force an error message by doing a few things wrong. I'll type all our pitch names in rests, one space in between each. Pretend you don't realize that I'm typing uppercase. LilyPond needs lowercase. Formatting your music into one bar per line of LilyPond text makes it a bit more readable, so I'll do that. When I click Insert, MsLily gives me an error message because I should have been typing lowercase. The error message says unrecognized string and points to the initial F on the first line. The error message is huge because there are 14 pitches that I should have written lowercase, one error for each letter. Sometimes an error means LilyPond won't be able to generate an image at all, but at least it gave us something this time. The two rests are shown because a capital R means a full bar rest to LilyPond. Not quite an error, but not very helpful. Once we change all the letters to lowercase, including the rests, we're getting somewhere. This isn't right though, the third note should have leapt upward and we're missing the flat on the B. You'll need some more information. By default, MsLily puts each pitch as close as possible to the previous pitch. Also notice we're beginning around middle C, C4 on the piano. To change octaves, add either a single quote or a comma. The single quote is an octave up, and the comma goes down. We're also missing the flat in the third bar. For flats, add ES to the letter, and for sharps, add IS. So B flat is BES. LilyPond needs every pitch to be a full name. If you want a B flat, write BES, even if the accidental isn't to be shown on your score. Time to make some more changes. For this part, the table shows each small change to my melody, what I write, and what MsLily produces. First, I'll change the octave of the third pitch, then I'll add the flats. As a teacher, I have used this sort of display to track the creation of a melody from scratch. Each draft is clearly visible after the previous draft, giving some artifacts of the compositional process. Leads to interesting discussion. This is what I meant about explicit pitch names. Since I didn't write the second BES, LilyPond thought I wanted a B flat and a B natural. If I want two B flats, I have to write two B flats. All our pitches look right now, we just need the final bar line. That requires a command word. Command word starts with a backslash and is followed by the name of the command. Often the command is followed by another word, number, or some other details. I changed the bar line style using the bar command. LilyPond needs to know what style I want, so I follow the command with some other details and double quotes. I want to find a bar line, so I type pipe dot. Great, that looks just like the original. We could stop, but I'll quickly show some other useful commands. I'll change the time signature using the time command, the key signature using the key command, and the clef using the clef command. I'll also make our music a bit bigger using the MsLily staff size menu, and I'll turn off ragged right to make the line of music fit nicely on the page. So far, I've been using the Insert button to create new images. Usually though, you won't know how something looks on the page until after you've inserted it. Then you'll want to make an update. For example, to make this music fit into one line, I'll click the checkbox to disable ragged right edges, and then I'll press Replace. That updates the image rather than inserting a new one. There we have it! I hope this video helped explain how to use MsLily to notate pitch and a few other things. I'm sure you'll want to know about rhythm and durations. That's the next tutorial. Here's your teaser on that topic. In the meantime, check out the LilyPond documents at lilypond.org. Without LilyPond, MsLily wouldn't exist. so give the LilyPond project a thumbs up. Finally, if you find Miss Lily useful, recommend it to others. I hope it makes it easier for you and others to share and write more music more often. Happy music making!